Yeah, you're welcome back. Welcome back. This time around, what I'm going to show you is the skill for weaving. Okay, weaving skill is what I'm going to show you now. Okay, to start weaving, you need to get the skill. Don't forget, what you need to know now is the skill. Once you can able to get the skill, it's just going to be very easy for you to make beautiful hairstyles. Okay, so let's start with weaving. So to weave, you need to make use of cotton comb to part the hair. Okay, so you make use of your cotton comb to part the hair. So you put it into parts. So you can see what we are having now. We also need to make use of this in the thinner ones. If you notice that it's not neat enough, so after that you take your comb, you comb it very well. Don't forget, you have to comb the two sides. Okay, you comb both sides. You come to this side, you also come to the other side until it's very okay. So now let's get started. So for your weaving, you need to watch this positioning. So you are first going to pick out three. You are going to pick out tiny parts. Okay, it must be very tiny. So which you divide into three, which you are going to divide into three. So something like this. Okay, you see what I'm having now. So one hand we hold one, the other one we hold the remaining two. You see? So this is one, this is holding two, this is holding one. Okay, so you can start like this. Okay, bring it in this way. So, and you will be adding more to it as you go. Okay. When you get to the end of the skull, you change your finger positioning. Okay, you can see we were holding it like this before. We are holding it like this, so you change it like this. So, and you finish it up. Okay, please note as you are doing it, make sure it's following the right order. Like when you do it to this side, this one 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 goes, this one comes, this one goes, just like so. It must always follow that order. So you have one, you have two, you have one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. And if you discover that one part is becoming tinier or thinner, you can add more to it. Okay, something like this. Okay, you have been able to add. So continue till you get to the end. Okay, so continue. You discover it's tinier, but you can add to it from any of the bigger ones. Okay, so but you have to do that with care. Okay, so like this is tiny, you can add to it from here. Okay, you can see what we are having now. So you continue, and when you get to the end, you can see when you are getting towards the end and it's becoming very smaller, you can just make it 2, okay, instead of 3, and end by twisting. So you can make use of twisting. Okay, don't worry, this twisting I'm going to show you later when I'm talking about twisting skill. Okay, so you can use this twisting skill for the finishing part. Okay, so you can see what we are having at the end of everything. Like I said the other time, that what you need to get is the skill. With this skill, you can be able to even discover hairstyles by yourself and form one hairstyle or the other by yourself. Okay, so what you need to get is get the skill and get it right. So you can see this is weaving. Okay, so when you keep doing something like this, you keep doing it to the end. We call that all back, because everything is going to the back. Okay, there's another weaving style that goes like this. Okay, there's another weaving style that part of it comes here, part of it goes to the other side. So all these are styles, and with the aid of Ovation books, you can get different styles. And don't forget, your cotton comb also helps you a lot to put it into the right size, the right part, and the right direction. Okay, so when you are making the hold back style, for example, you are doing something like this all through, you have to also be careful and make sure that the parts you are going to cut must be as the same as this. Okay, so in other words, it must not be longer, it must not be more or lesser than what the part we cut to make this. So everything must balance, except if what you are making, if you are doing that deliberately to make this one more than it, or to make it long and even smaller than it. So if that is going to be another style, no problem. Okay, but if you are just making, you want to follow this order, so you must make sure that the parts you cut is the same thing as the one before it. Okay, so if you are cutting the next part now, it must be something like this. It must not be more, it must not be lesser. So this is the skill for weaving. So don't forget the cotton comb. With the cotton comb, you can put it into, you can use it to make any part, to take it to any direction, even to the side, to the middle, or to the back, or whatever. So that is for the cotton comb, and so this is for weaving skill. Okay, thank you.